is the Smithtown Promise?
It is who
we are.
It is a declaration of 4 principles we believe with our hearts.
Every student's dignity is a given.
Every one of our students belong here.
Every student is a difference maker.
Every student was made to excel.
Simply put, all means all.
Every human being has value and their dignity must be honored.
Everyone should feel welcome and safe in our schools and our community.
Every day, there are new opportunities to make a difference.
Each of us is born with the capacity for excellence.
The Promise is not a class or a curriculum.
It's not a performance or a program.
It is a set of beliefs, a way of life.
The Promise is in our people and our teachers and family members.
In our caregivers and first responders.
The Promise lives in our coaches, leaders, and employers.
The Promise is all of us.
The Promise is all of us.
It's all of us.
It is all of us.
It is all of us.
The Smithtown Promise means giving our word to our young people and to every human being we interact with.